An urban heat island is created when trees and vegetation are replaced by concrete and asphalt, which absorbs and retains heat. Roads and buildings trap this heat over the city, causing a rise in temperature. According to several experts we talked to, this is becoming a serious problem throughout the country, especially in the Atlanta area. As we compare rural versus city temperatures, we can clearly see the spike in temperature, up to a 15-degree difference. As we will see, urban heat islands affect the way we live every day. If you look at the images to the right, as you get closer to the center of the city, the temperature rises dramatically. On the images on the left, the temperature of the asphalt is 20 degrees higher than the surrounding vegetation. So what are the harms to urban heat islands?
Yes, the most common, of course, is a decrease in human health and comfort, which is when you're hot, sweaty, and miserable. In fact, 1 year in the Midwest, over 1,000 heat-related deaths occurred. Another thing people think about is how much it costs to keep buildings cool. Stormwater runoff from hot city streets is a problem too. Increased water temperature can kill some marine life. Urban heat islands also trap pollution inside the city, causing a decrease in air quality. Well, we've looked at the harms to urban heat islands, but what are some of the ways to mitigate these harms?
One of the ways to reduce urban heat island is by building green roofs. There are two types of green roofs, extensive and intensive. Extensive roofs like this Ford Motor Company in Michigan, or this building in Singapore, are green roofs with lightweight plants that don't require much maintenance. Intensive roofs like this building in New York are green roofs with large plants such as trees or shrubs. Building owners often install intensive roofs to save energy and provide a garden environment for the public to enjoy. In these two identical images, you can see a green roof can cool a building down to 74 degrees, whereas a conventional roof can reach up to 150 degrees.
What about cool technologies? Pervious pavements are pavements that are about 25 to 40% open space. Thus, water fills the space and therefore cools down the roads. Pervious pavements channel water surrounding soil, preventing erosion and benefiting the existing greenery. It also decreases stormwater runoff, which preserves the quality of surrounding streams, rivers, and ponds. Cool roofs are any type of roofs that reflect large amounts of light back into space. There is a huge difference in solar reflectance between conventional roofs and cool roofs. This causes a 40 to 60 degree temperature difference. Cool roofs are cheaper, decrease cooling costs, and are durable. In California, there are ordinances that you must include cool roofs in designing new constructions.
Well, I heard that the most common way to reduce the problem of an urban heat island was to plant trees. Trees provide shade to keep the pavements from absorbing so much heat. Trees also cool the air through evapotranspiration, reduce pollution, and filter the air. And the roots also stabilize soil and prevent erosion.
Many cities have enacted tree ordinances that require a certain amount of shade in parking lots, or require developers to replace trees that were removed while building. The cost of planting and maintaining trees are more than offset by the benefits, as this chart shows.
As you can see, there are many different solutions to urban heat islands. So why is it a problem? Because no one knows about it. We took a survey consisting of average people, the Atlanta Urban Planning Commission, the Environmental Protection Division, and the City Council. Out of the people we contacted, 98% hadn't even heard of it. Therefore, education is our solution. We have created an educational website and video, and have sent these links to the officials we have already contacted and others in our community. Here's our video, which has already received 700 views on YouTube.
Urban heat islands affect you. What are they? As cities grow, they replace trees and vegetation with concrete and asphalt. These roads trap heat over the cities with many harmful side effects, such as diminished air quality, impaired water quality, increased energy cost to cool, and a decrease in human health and comfort. What can you do to help fix this problem? Use cool technologies. Replace heat-absorbing roofs with heat-reflecting roofs. And build new roads and parking lots with cool pavements. Install green roofs on existing structures or include green roofs in designing new constructions. Finally,